Are you tired of creating landing pages that look like they were designed in the 90s? I know the feeling, I've been there too. Trying to design a high converting landing page is not an easy task, but what if I told you there is a secret weapon that can instantly transform your landing pages? A proven template that is guaranteed to boost your conversions. Introducing my free exclusive landing page template. This isn't just a template, it's a carefully crafted masterpiece designed to capture attention, build trust, and drive sales. This is exactly the landing page template that you will get in your account for free minutes from now, and all you have to do after that is just replace the landing page elements like the headline, subheadline, graphics, bullet points, video, everything you need, the call to action, everything you need to change. You can change it instantly, save your work, and start using it right now. And I will show you how to do that in just a minute. But before that, let's see what's included in this unique template. You have the big headline, which is the most important thing in the landing page. It grabs attention. It says here, are you tired of hitting landing page walls? This free landing page template breaks through and converts. So this is very attractive for those who want to use high converting landing pages in their business or in their affiliate marketing efforts. So you can steal this high converting landing page template today. So this is fast access to the resource, and some features are explained here: proven performance, easy customization, and also time saving. You can skip the hassle of starting from scratch and get your landing page up and running in minutes. And of course, everything that you see here can be replaced, can be updated with your own information, with your own branding elements. You can put your title here and you can change the graphics, you can change the video that is right here, the bullet points, the call to action, everything can be changed. Just point and click. So this is a high value resource for all those doing list building, lead generation, affiliate marketing. If you want to promote a certain opportunity or affiliate offer, you can use this landing page here to capture leads and then send them to the bridge page, which will be your affiliate link. Of course, you can make lots of affiliate commissions and build also huge email lists using this template here. Of course, you will have to customize the template to match your offerings and your goals. And before I show you how to instantly import this landing page to your account and start customizing it and using it, please click the link below this video to have instant access. You will have to opt in and you will receive a page where you have a simple share code that you will paste on your account to import this page and start using it completely for free. And as you can see, the template is very organized. As soon as you import it, you will be able to customize the big headline, the subheadline, the features, and also the graphic. And in the second part, you can of course customize the bullet points and the video that will be here, and you can of course replace the video by another graphic if you'd like to. And then of course the call to action, you can type whatever you want here. And here is very important thing here. You can actually attach this form here that builds your email list to any email list you want. You can use an email list that is inside LeadsLeap when you are building your lists on LeadsLeap, or you can also link this form to any other email marketing software. So you grab the code and you put it on this page and it will build your email list on the other software that you are using. Now, before I show you how to import and customize this landing page, let me just show you what to include in the template. You need to include a compelling headline and subheadline. That's very important. That's the first thing people will read on your landing page. You need to use eye-catching visuals, graphics, or videos, persuasive bullet points, strong call to action, and of course it needs to be optimized for mobile devices, which is already done for you. Now, once you opt in, below this video you will be redirected to this thank you page. Here of course there are multiple resources that you can use here, valuable resources that you can use on this page, but you want the landing page template, and the landing page template is on the bonus section at the bottom of the page. There will be a share code here to copy and paste on your Leads Leap account. So you just copy the share code that you will find here in this place where the X's are. If you don't already have a Leads Leap account, click on this link and create yourself a free account where you can create up to 10 pages for free. Once this is done, you go to your back office on Leads Leap and find this menu here, Page Manager. Click on it, and then you want to add a new page campaign and you give it a name. Let's just call it Test 001, and we want to click Add Now. All you have to do now to import that template is click on this button here in front of the page you just created. You click on this button, Add New Page Design, and you paste the share code right here on this spot, and you click this button, Import Now, and the page will be on your account. I just did that, and as you can see there is a new design on this page, Test 001, and if I click on the link of the page, this is exactly what I will see, the same copy of the landing page. Now if you need to customize things, you just click on Launch Editor right here, and a new window will open the page in the editor, and all you have to do now is point and click and change the headline. For example, this big headline is written here on the right side. You can change whatever you want. Just replace this text and use the save button on top. Same thing for this text here. Are you tired of hitting landing page walls? You can type here whatever you want. To replace the graphics, just click on the graphic itself and go to this field here, click on it, and then you have multiple choices. You have, if you already uploaded images to your gallery, you can of course use them. As you can see here, Leads Leap provides some images for you, or you can just paste the link to the image you want to use on the landing page right here, and it will be replaced on the spot for you, and you save the changes. And then you do the same thing for everything that is here. Every element that you can see here is customizable. Click on this one, you will see it here. Click on this one, you will see it here. Also the video, you can grab the code. This is an image actually, but you can put a video here, and this is very easy to do actually. One more important thing to do when you import the page and you want to customize it is to actually link the form that is on the bottom here, link it to the right email list you want to build. And you do that here on top left side where it says list. When you click on it, you have these two options here. Of course, you have the third option where you don't need an opt-in. You just put a button and people will go from there to an affiliate offer, for example. But the two cases where you build an email list, the first one is Sendsteed, where you build your lists inside of Leads Leap. So all you have to do is click here, get list ID, and then you choose which list you want to use. And this link here is a redirect URL. As soon as people opt in the form, they will be taken to this bridge page here, or redirect page here, which can be an affiliate link for an offer that is related, or any other page you'd like to redirect people after they opt in. If you use a third-party email marketing software, you need to click here on the second option and you need to provide the information about your email list and the action URL. And after that, don't forget to save the changes on this button here. I hope this will help. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next one.